Welcome back to Master Car, your go-to channel for expert car reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Toyota Crown, a sedan that blends luxury, performance, and bold design in a way that's hard to ignore. Right from the first glance, the 2025 Crown stands out. Toyota has given it a distinctive look that pushes the limits of what a traditional sedan should be. The sleek fastback profile is matched with a high-riding stance, giving it almost a crossover feel. The large front grille is aggressive, framed by sharp LED headlights that add to its futuristic presence. The sculpted body lines flow smoothly from front to rear, while the two-tone paint option adds a touch of flair that separates it from the usual crowd. Even the wheels, available in 19 or 21-inch options depending on the trim, bring a bold aesthetic that ties the whole look together. Step inside and the Crown continues to impress. The interior isn't just about comfort, it's about refinement. You're greeted with high-quality materials, a spacious layout, and a modern dashboard featuring a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster alongside a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen. Toyota's new multimedia system is intuitive and responsive, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto coming standard. Seating is plush, with heated and ventilated front seats on most trims, and ample legroom for rear passengers. It's quiet, it's well finished, and it feels upscale without trying too hard. Now let's talk performance. The 2025 Crown offers two hybrid powertrains. The base model features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with Toyota's hybrid system, delivering a smooth and efficient ride with a combined 236 horsepower. But if you want more excitement, the Platinum trim comes with the Hybrid Max system, a turbocharged 2.4-liter engine combined with electric motors, producing a solid 340 horsepower. This version offers noticeably sharper acceleration in standard all-wheel drive, making it more engaging on the road. The adaptive variable suspension further enhances ride comfort and handling, giving the Crown a confident and composed feel in various driving conditions. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Crown brings a refreshing mix of elegance and athleticism. It's a bold move from Toyota, and one that might just pay off. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews here on Master Car.